Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Nutella Crumble bars. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a microwavable safe bowl and place in your golden caster sugar, followed by the butter and then your vanilla extract. Then place this into the microwave and melt for around 2 to 2.5 minutes depending on the heat of your microwave. While that's in the microwave, in another bowl, add in your dry ingredients, which are oats, flour, cocoa powder and chopped hazelnuts, and give these all a good mix together until they are fully combined. So your liquid mix should look a little something like this. Just give it a brief whisk together just to fully combine it. Then you can go ahead and add this directly into your dry mixture and fold it and mix it all together until it's fully incorporated. Doesn't take very long, but you want to give it a good thorough mix to ensure that all of the dry ingredients have been coated with the wet and the wet have been incorporated with the dry. And just mix and make sure you get the very bottom of the bowl, as that's normally where they stick in together. Grab yourself a lined baking tray which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then place in around 2/3 of the mixture, spread and level it out as best as you possibly can, either using a palette knife or a spatula, whichever works best for yourself, or whichever you prefer to use. I prefer to use a spatula as this moves very easily, but that's up to you. Then top this layer with a generous amount of Nutella. I will leave the exact amount in the recipe which I've linked below, so don't forget to check it out. Spread and level out the Nutella as best as you possibly can. You may think it's a thin layer, but trust me, this is a very sweet and sickly dessert. Then crumble over the rest of the oaty chocolate mixture and just ensure even coverage all over. Place into your oven and bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So once it's been baked and is fully cooled, you can then chill in the fridge, and this will make it easier to slice up. So just take it from the fridge, remove the parchment paper from around the outer edges and cut it into as many or as few portions as you would like. I went with 8 very generous portions, but again this can be cut into halves again, so you get 16 and it'll still be a very generous portion, as this is very sweet and very rich, but for those who love chocolate and hazelnut it's the perfect recipe. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.